Hello everyone, welcome to Maneuver. So today in this session we will see the important news from top 10 area. It means like national, international, sports, obituary, award. So what are the important news from the May month as exam point of view? So we will see. So last time I also uploaded the April month. So the people who are the new, they can watch that video. And also some people requested for the static GK. What are the static GK for the TIS exam? If you are planning to target TIS, so static GK is also very important. And I uploaded one more video where I discuss what are the important topic from the static GK. It means history, geography, polity and economy. So all the important chapter I discuss. So guys, in this TIS exam series you will get all the update regarding your current affairs and static GK section. So if you have any doubt and query regarding the exam, so you can ask in comment box. So definitely I will try to reply. So let's see the important news from the May month. So first news from the national news is a UZ multi-purpose project. So it was in a news. I will explain you why this is a very important. So first see, the center approved the modification of the detailed project report UZ multi-purpose project located in the UZ river. So this news is a not more important for the current affairs point of view. It is important as a static point of view. Most of the time we had seen in exam related to the multi-purpose project in which river and particular multi-purpose project in which state. इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन रिलेट करके बहुत बार एग्जाम्स में पूछे जाते हैं. एंड वन मोर थिंग इम्पॉर्टेंट, जस्ट रिमेंबर वेन एवर दिस टाइप ऑफ द क्वेश्चन केम इन एग्जाम फ्रॉम द स्टैटिक जीके, सो कहीं ना कहीं वो करेंट अफेयर्स में न्यूज़ में रहते हैं. सो दैट्स वाई दे आर द पार्ट ऑफ योर स्टैटिक जीके. बेसिकली दिस न्यूज़ इज इम्पॉर्टेंट. Where is the UZ river? And it is a tributary of the Ravi river. Where is the Ravi river? So Kathua district of the Jammu and Kashmir. So you should aware where is this river in which state. So here is some additional information like Hirakund multi-purpose project. Hirakund, where is it, in which river? So Mahanadi in Odisha. And बहुत बार एग्जाम्स में ये पूछा गया है. भागरा नांगल project on Satluj river in which state? In Punjab. So there is some other multi-purpose project is also important like Damodar Valley project, Idukki project. So these all are the important as a static point of view. If they are in a news, so कहीं ना कहीं अगर से news में है, so it will be important as a static GK point of view. Okay, now see the second important news. Second important news is a very tragic news which was happened in the Visakhapatnam. I hope you people know polymer plant gas leak problem. So this is the important national level news. So whatever the question may be possible, first thing important, what was the name of the gas? कौन सा gas था which was leaked? The name of the gas was the styrene. Okay, and near about 11 people died in this tragedy and more than 1000 people are affected. And here you can see what are the impact of the styrene gas. So it is a poisonous inflammable gas used in the plastic engineering industry especially, and how it harmful. So here you can see nausea and dizziness. Okay, so this type of the problem may be happen. So basically how it's important for the exam. So first thing important, just remember polymer plant, where is it? In Visakhapatnam. And what was the name of the gas? So styrene. Okay, so these two important from the national level. Now come to the international news. So if we will talk about the international news, so here is a very big news from the Iraq. Mustafa al-Kadhimi is elected as a prime minister of Iraq after the more than 6 months of the political crisis. 6 months से वहाँ पे political stability नहीं थी, and after that he is elected as a prime minister. So as a international news point of view से काफ़ी important news है. So some other important thing, just also remember the Iraq capital is a Baghdad, and what is the currency of Iraq? Dinar is the currency. Sometime capital and currency से relate करके भी questions आते हैं. So what are the nation or important personality in a news? So उस country का capital and currency, it is a important. Okay, so next important international news is Forbes magazine. It's really highest female paid athlete name. So she was in a news, and just remember Naomi Osaka belonged to the Japan and very well known tennis player. And if you will talk about what is the name of the male athlete, so what is the name of the male athlete is a Roger Federer. He is also from the tennis field and from Switzerland. Okay, And if we will talk about the from the only cricketer and only Indian person who is listed in top 100 paid athletes list, so the name of the person is a Virat Kohli. Virat Kohli. He is the only cricketer in this list. So these all the names is very important. Just remember, these all are the important as an exam point of view. Now come to the government scheme. So if we will talk about the government scheme, so here is a very big scheme started by the India government, which is known as the Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan, or you can say Self-Reliant India Mission. So what is it? So what are the aim? What is the package allocated for it? And what is it actually? So the aim of this abhiyan, you can say the India should stand on 5 pillar. 5 pillar को बेस्ट बनाया गया है. First one is the economically strong होना चाहिए. Infrastructure, it means road, railway, ये सब सारे चीज़ें strong होनी चाहिए properly. 21st century technology होनी चाहिए. Demand and vibrant demography. So these all are the 5 pillar for this Atmanirbhar Bharat. And what are the package announced by the India government? So it mentioned the 20 lakh crore, which is very important. It may be framed as a question in your exam, how much amount is allocated for the Atmanirbhar Bharat package. And it is also, you can remember, 10% of the GDP of 2019 and 20. And what is the aim of it? Toward the achieving the economic self-reliance. And the package will focus on the land, labor, liquidity and law. So all the information is given. It will cater the various section like including the cottage industry, MSME, laborers, middle class, industry, among others. So all the various section it will cover. And what are the reform included in it? So supply chain reform करना है for the agriculture के लिए especially. And rational tax system, simple and clear law होने चाहिए, क्योंकि अभी तक पता है आपको कितना टाइम कंज्यूम होता है अगर से आपको कोर्ट के चक्कर काटना पड़ गया. एंड देन कैपेबल ह्यूमन रिसोर्स एंड अ स्ट्रॉन्ग फाइनेंशियल सिस्टम. ओके, सो हियर इज अ so here I given the brief information regarding the Atmanirbhar Bharat, and I request you to study about more about the Atmanirbhar Bharat, because this is a highly expected scheme, you can say, as a exam point of view. Okay, so each and everything you should to aware about it. And now come to the sports section. So first news is that the para athlete Deepa Malik, very well known para athlete, and last year इनको award भी मिला था राजीव गांधी खेल रत्न अवार्ड मिला था. एंड बहुत सारे एग्जाम्स में इनसे रिलेट करके क्वेश्चंस भी आया था. सो वन न्यूज़ इज रिलेटेड टू हर. व्हाट इज इट? सी अनाउंस हर रिटायरमेंट फ्रॉम द पैरा ओलंपिक गेम. सो इन्होंने अभी अनाउंस कर दिया फ्रॉम द रिटायरमेंट. बिकॉज वाई, व्हाट इज द रीजन? बिकॉज ही विल सर्व एज अ ऑफिस बेरर इन द पैरा ओलंपिक कमेटी. सो दैट्स वाई सी हैव टू गिव द रिजिग्नेशन, बिकॉज दोनों पोस्ट आप एक साथ as a player and as a office bearer दोनों handle नहीं कर सकते. So that's why she had to give the resignation. Okay, so there is so many record related to her, you can study, but most important thing is that just remember Deepa Malik is related to which sport. So इस तरह से question simply connect करके इस news से आप exam में frame हो सकता है. So she is related to javelin throw. So kindly remember. Now come to the next important news. Is a very important. Now India going to hold the under 17 World Cup, Women World Cup. So the venue is India. Just remember. So एक international levels का एक sport event है जो कि इंडिया में होगा. So India will be the host country. So just remember, simply the question may be framed. The FIFA under 17 Women's World Cup, where it will be held. So India will be the host country. Okay, so these two news is a very important from the main one. Some other is also, but it is not possible for me to cover each one, and whatever the questions may be possible to frame on that particular news. So only the which one is the most important, so I covered only them. So now come to the important personality. So who is the important personality as a May month point of view? So very important person, Marcus Prado Traizo is a Brazilian banker. Now he is appointed as a president of a new development bank, and as we know, NDB is a short form of it. NDB. Okay, so new development bank. It was formed by the BRICS nation. BRICS stand for Brazil, Russia, India, China and South Africa. And where is the headquarter of NDB? It is a very important for the exam point of view. So Shanghai. Okay, and previously the person, when it was founded in 2014, its first president was a KV Kamath, is a short form, and people know him as a KV Kamath. Okay, KV Kamath is a very famous bankers of India. He is the first president of the New Development Bank when it was formed in 2014. So these all the static information is very important. Who was the first president? Where is the headquarters? Shanghai. And which organization formed? So just remember BRICS: Brazil, Russia, India, and China. And when it was formed, so 2014. So these all are the some other fact related to it. And for the current affairs point of view, just remember the name of the person, Marcus Prado Trizo, is a new president of NDB. Okay, so next important news is United Nations Environment Program, very important organization. She has recently extended the terms of Bollywood star environmentalist Dia Mirza. If you have remember, in 2018, she was appointed as the brand ambassador for the Beat Plastic movement. If you had remember, it was the theme of 2018. So she worked as a brand ambassador for it. Okay, so for now UNDP extended 2 years more as a brand ambassador to her. So that's why it was in a news. So United Nations Environmental Program is a very important organization, and related to its headquarters, so many times the questions had seen in exam. So where is the headquarter? It is a very important. So just remember, in Nairobi. Okay, so headquarters is a very important of the United Nations Environmental Program. And Dia Mirza, just remember, she is a goodwill ambassador of the UNEP, and also UNEP extended her terms 2 years more, and she is a Indian personality. So that's why it is a very important. Okay, I hope you people remember it. Next one is a summit. सो इम्पॉर्टेंट समिट से जो इम्पॉर्टेंट न्यूज़ है यहाँ पे, जो नॉन अलाइंड मूवमेंट एक ऑनलाइन कॉन्फ्रेंस हेल्ड हुआ था. हियर यू कैन सी 2001 रिसेंटली हेल्ड इन डिस्कस टू रिस्पॉन्स द प्रिविलेंट कोविड-19 क्राइसिस. कोविड-19 को क्राइसिस को लेकर के एक नॉन अलाइंड मूवमेंट. एंड आई होप यू पीपल नो द फाउंडर ऑफ द नॉन अलाइंड मूवमेंट वॉज आवर फर्स्ट प्राइम मिनिस्टर जवाहरलाल नेहरू. And he founded this non-aligned movement in 1961, and headquarter of it in Jakarta. Okay, Jakarta, Indonesia. So इस summit में our honorable Prime Minister नरेंद्र मोदी ने participate किया था. And the aim, which is most important thing, is that what was the theme of that summit? So united COVID against 19. So simply question which may be possible to frame on it, what was the theme of a non-aligned movement which was held in May month. So इस तरह से question frame करके आपसे relate करके पूछ लिया जाएगा. So just remember, important summit से ये एक important news है. The second one is the Army Commander Conference, जो कि इंडियन आर्मी का कॉन्फ्रेंस होता है, ईयर में 2 टाइम होता है. इसका जो फर्स्ट फेज शेड्यूल होगा, इट्स शेड्यूल फ्रॉम 27 to 29, एंड इम्पॉर्टेंट कॉन्फ्रेंस यू कैन से ऑफ द Indian Army. And who is a chief of the Indian Army? Just remember, Manoj Mukund Narwan. Okay, so next area is the obituary section. And obituary section से जो सबसे important news है, it is related to the legend Balbir Singh. Is a very well known hockey player of the India. So he has died as of 96, and he is the oldest surviving Olympic medalist from the India. Balbir Singh was a part of the 1948 London Olympic gold medal winning Indian hockey team. उस team के part थे. So you can understand how he is an important personality. So he served as the vice captain of the 1952 gold medal winning team. So he is a very important sport person of India. So just remember, Balbir Singh is related to hockey field. Next important news from the obituary section is the veteran Urdu author and Padma Shri awarded winner Mustafa Hussain recently passed away. So one more person, he is a writer. So basically the question which may be framed on him, it may be the name of him is given. Mustafa Hussain is related to which field? He is a musician, he is a writer, he is an actor, he is a director. So basically इसी टाइप से question frame हो सकता है. So just remember, Mustafa Hussain is related to the Urdu writer or author. Okay, And next area is the science and technology, which is very important. So first news from the science and technology, we will see which one is the most important. So here you can see name the rover. ऐसे contest was conducted by the NASA ने एक ऐसे contest conduct किया था, एक rover उन्होंने डिज़ाइन किया है. Here you can see this is the one type of the helicopter. So इस helicopter का नाम देना था, तो उसके लिए उन्होंने एक ऐसे कंपटीशन ऑर्गेनाइज किया था. उस कंपटीशन में ये नेम सेलेक्ट किया गया. अब आपके माइंड में आएगा व्हाई दिस नेम इज इम्पॉर्टेंट. सो जस्ट रिमेंबर द पर्सन हु सजेस्टेड दिस नेम, शी वाज एन इंडियन ओरिजिन पर्सन. सो दैट्स व्हाई इट इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अस टू नो. सो वनीजा रूपानी was her name, suggested the name Ingenuity and NASA selected it. So that's why it is a very important for us to remember, because it may be part of your exam. And the second important thing is that Indian Space Research Organization ISRO has received a patent for the method of manufacturing the Highland Lunar Sol. So जो last year चंद्रयान को launch किया गया था, उसके लिए जो एक सोल को मैन्युफैक्चर किया गया था, स्पेशली वो सोल मून के सोल के जैसा है. सो some manufacture this artificial soul. So whatever the news is related to ISRO and DRDO, these all are the very important for the current affairs point of view. So just remember. Now come to the books and author section. So first we will see the award. So Dar Yassin, Mukhtar Khan and Chani Anand, the photographer of the New York-based American not-for-the-profit news agency Associate, have been named the winner of the Pulitzer Prize for the feature photography. Pulitzer Prize is a prestigious award in the field of journalism. So important thing is that just remember Pulitzer Prize is related to the journalism. It's given in the journalism field. And also remember the name of the person. These all are the Indian person who received this award. And they captured the photo in Jammu and Kashmir in the situation of this article 317 when it was revoked. So ऐसे situation में, कर्फ्यू के situation में इन्होंने extraordinary photo को capture किया. So that's why they people are selected for this prestigious award, Pulitzer Prize. And just remember it is given by the US press agency, and it's related to the journalism field. Okay, next one is the Major Suman Gawani is a very important. Her name is very important, and it is highly possible to come in your exam. She has been selected for the prestigious United Nations Military Gender Advocate of the year 2019. So she is the first Indian in a history that Indian award for the mentioned for this award. So just remember her name. She received this award, and it is a very important. And the headquarters of the United Nations is in New York. And the next news is from the author field. So popular author Ruskin Bond author a book titled Hope on My Adventure on the Boat, Train and Plane. The ebook format was released on the occasion of 86th birthday. So एक books and writer से काफ़ी important है. Just remember the name of the book and who is the writer. And the second one is also very important. Wuhan Diary, dispatched from the quarantine city, authored by the Chinese literary writer Fang Fang. So the name of the writer is Fang Fang. It is a very important. So what is the name of the book and who is the writer? So both are the very important. So guys, these all are the important news from the May month. So here I cover the important from the national, international, government scheme, author, important personality. Basically these all are the area as a current affairs point of view. Most of the question frame from this field. So friend, if you are targeting the TISS 2020-21, so current affair and static GK is a very important, and it's play the very important role in your exam. So if you people are the serious for your studies, so you have to prepare in a consistent way with the right material. So here is a one information for you. So if you are planning to appear, so you can join our live classes where you will attend the live lecture with the expert faculty, and also here pre-recorded lecture you can join. Otherwise you can join for the test, and mock test is a very important for any entrance exam. Without appear the mock test, it is not possible for you to crack any exam. And study material. So if you want to books and important study material for the TISS exam, so you can join us for the books and study material. So you can visit manuveredu.com/MBA entrance, and if you have any query, so you can call, and also the link is given in the description. So you can click and join us for this TISS program, where the expert faculty will teach you with best shortcut right way with the right content. Okay, so if you have any doubt and query, so you can comment, and if you want to get the continue update, so subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get the continue update. See you in next current affair series in month of June. Thank you.